Today, we are taking a look at the 1977 Ford van kit from AMT, this time as a Coca-Cola delivery van, which includes 2 bottle crates and a vending machine. 1/25th scale, full detail kit. It is today's What's in the Box. So this tooling goes back to 1977, coincidental, when it was initially released as just the Ford custom van. And then they got a handful of reissues throughout the last 4 decades. Let's check it out. And getting started with the body. And getting started now with, we'll call it the frame parts tree, with other pieces on there. Exhaust cross members. Those will be cross members for the underside of the interior floor. That's what those are going to be. Moving on to the next parts tree, which has, again, a little bit of everything, pieces in here. We got the hood, we got some front seats, steering wheel, fuel tank, armrest. And I'm moving on to the next parts tree out of this baggie. 103 has a little bit of everything, has a lot of suspension pieces, the interior piece for the engine compartment, dash, radiator. So they have the rear axle, 2-piece with the leaf springs, steering column, tie rod, brakes, the twin I-beam setup, shocks, brakes, radiator, dash, steering wheel, or excuse me, drive shaft, heater, core piece, I'm guessing down there, the blower motor there, heater. Moving right along now to the engine parts tree. And we have some wheel backs. What looks to be an off-road piece as well. You have a spare tire carrier, CB radio. I'm guessing that's supposed to be a CB radio antenna. Wow, that thing is thick. Looks like a little roof rack. So they've included some off-road bits too. And this is going to be the classic vending machine. Part of it anyways. And now take a look at the interior tub. As you can see, detail-wise, it's pretty simplistic. Not a whole lot there. Just enough to make it look good, I guess. And now taking a look at the chrome parts tree, which is pretty simple. For this one, you have the grille, wheels, mirrors, bumpers. Okay, an alternator piece maybe. I think that's what that is. And the clear parts, you have the window, rear window piece, side windows, and tail light pieces there. And now we have the Coke bottles, which are molded in a transparent light minty green color. think these are going to be porthole windows. And then the front piece for the vending machine. Well, the display sign button piece for the vending machine. And now take a look at the tires, which are blank sidewall rounded rounds with pad printed red line on them. And now finally we're going to take a look at the decal sheet, which you can see is pretty full, and you got a lot of options on what you want to do. So you see you have the main display that will go behind the clear piece or on the clear piece, and you have the buttons. You have Coke, Goofy Grape, Fizzy Up, Shock. Over here, license plates, choices. You got California, Georgia, Arizona, Tennessee, Wisconsin, as well as Coke plates. And you just have various Coke decals depending on, you can do, if you want to do a white van, or if you want to do a red van with the white top, and then decals for choice of yellow or red decals for the bottle crate, the crates for the bottles. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1977 Ford delivery van for Coca-Cola, or the Coca-Cola delivery van, however you want to call it, from AMT. So, on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.